Hi, welcome back to my morning report chart appraisals on Thursday, 23rd of March with me, Rich Market Analyst at Headset Markets, looking at dollar yen. And we've seen this sort of move on dollar yen, which has now broken the support of this old trading band. This trading band that was been in place between January and mid-March has now broken to the downside decisively. A break below 1160, which had been the range lows of February and late Feb, has now been seen on a closing basis, and that 1160 level now becomes a basis of a resistance. Now you look at these momentum indicators, you'd say negative configuration, MACD lines, RSI low 30s, and the stochastics as well. You've got the succession of of bear candles, which continues to move the market lower. Now I think that generally speaking, this is a key breakdown and a continuation of the retracement that we're going to get now. You've got the 50% fib level of that big bull run from basically from Trump, really, but just prior to Trump, the September low. The big bull run up to 1865. 50% of that retracement is 109.35. So it's perfectly possible that you could see that now. Now you're trading well clear of the 38.2% fib level, which was 1155, which obviously was basically that 1160 level that we had been using as a floor through February. The hourly chart shows that 1160 has now become the basis of resistance on the overnight rally. And the little unwinding rally that we've had has basically now become the basis of resistance. So old support becomes new resistance. 1160 and 1250. 1250 was again an old support within the range, but again that becomes basis of resistance. The RSI on the hourly chart failing her in the mid 50s continually. 50 to 55 seems to be where the RSI fails. MACD lines crossing lower. That's bearish, isn't it? Look at that crossover, and also the stochastics already falling away, so it doesn't look great. Looks like we're going to retest the low of 1075 area, which was yesterday's low. You could say 10 big figure or 110 big figure is sort of a psychological level, but generally speaking, you're probably coming back towards that 50% fib level now at least. Now you could also measure a breakdown target of 400 pips from this range projected lower. That gives you 107.60 as well. So doesn't look great for the near to medium term outlook on dollar yen. So I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.